I hope you have a great day. In today's tutorial, you can learn how to design this beautiful 8 steps infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going go to take a text and I'm going to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So Franklin Gothic heavy. Okay, and hit enter. And let me increase the font size to 150. Yes, and let me place it here. Go to insert and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle over these numbers. Select all, shape, merge shape fragment, and let me delete the extra parts up after fragment. Select this one, this one, this one, then this one, and delete. Now these number converted to shape fill. So I'm going to now take this arrow shape and drag arrow shape vertically like this. Let me place it here, and shape fill, give it some white color, and shape outline, go make it no outline. Go to format shape and give it some shadow effect. I am going to with this shadow effect. Let me select this one and make it transparency to around about 80, and you can okay, size will be, let me select the size and blur. Let me make the blur and fix the angle, and distance will be around about 17. So now you can look this one, and now place one under this shape fill, no fill, sorry, let me select shape fill, no fill, shape outline, give it this color, and I'm going to make it little bit darker. Okay, and the width will be around about, I think so, 2 whole 1/4 or 3 will be okay as. Okay, I'm going to take this shape again and drag this shape like this. Let me fix it. Zoom it, and I'm going to shape, edit shape, and take this anchor point, put and drag this anchor point little bit to the left side, and this will be also drag to the left side. Okay, yes, I think it's okay. Shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill, give same color as the number color. Let me bring some text. and that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. Sorry, let me select again this text and Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V. Now I am going to put this text under the arrow, yes, here, and over the arrow the headline will go over the arrow. Let me make it white and select all. Okay, let me zoom out it, Control D to duplicate it and place it here in a row with the first shape, with the first step. Okay, put it here, Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Now I am going to put the second number. Okay, shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, give it some different color, this one, and I'm going to make its width to 3. More color, make it little bit different from the first one. Okay, select this arrow and give the recent color. Put the second text, the second headline over the second arrow. Idea will go here and make it white. Select this number and now put 3 here. Shape fill, no fill, shape outline, give the recent color, and now go to width up it's to 3, and now again go to more color and make it little bit different from the second ones, the second step. Okay. Now I'm going to select the recent color and select the third. Okay, let me select the third one and put it here over the arrow. Bring to front and I'm going to give it white color. Okay, give it white color. So again select this one and now I'm going to put number 4 here under the shape and shape fill, no fill. Let me align it first. Shape fill, no fill, shape outline, give the recent color, and again width will be 3. Okay, and I'm going to give the color recent color and make it little bit different from the third one step. Go to more color and make it little bit lighter from the third step. Okay, select this arrow and give the recent color. I'm going to put the fourth headline over this arrow, bring it to front, and make it white. Okay, make it white. Now select these are four steps and Control D to duplicate it and put it here under the upper four steps. Let me put it here and now select this one and I will go here. Let me select Control Z to bake and I'm going to put file number here. Again, go to shape outline, make it no shape fill, no fill, shape outline and give the recent color and make its depth to width to 3. Select this one and also give the recent color. Now I'm going to put this headline over this fifth arrow process. Let me select and make it white. Again, select this one and shape fill, no fill in recent color. Select the second one, shape outline and give it 3 and let me select this arrow and give the recent color, the first one, I think this one, yes, and put the headline over it. Let me select this one and put time over this arrow and bring to front. Let me select and bring to front and now I'm going to put over this arrow. Make it white. Okay, shape fill, no fill, shape outline and give it little bit darker color. Let me select the darker one and give the 3 and select this arrow. Also change the color of this one, recent. Okay, these are all 4 colors that used in this infographic, from darker to light and again in the second row from light to darker. Okay, let me select this one and put it under this shape fill, no fill, shape outline and give some darker color, the fourth one, this one, and I'm going to make its width to 3. So let me select this arrow and give it the recent color. Sorry, shape fill, no fill, shape fill, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, give it the recent color. And I'm going to put the goal here and make it white. You can also put some text under the infographic at the bottom of the slide. and I'm going to go to insert and take uh, line segment and drag a line segment by holding shift to drag a straight line that separate the infographic from the bottom text. Okay, let me select the text and make it little bit down to the slide. Go to insert and take and click on icon tab, and so I'm going to bring some icons. From this icon tab you can find your desired icon. In here in this icon tab, just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon. I need 8 icons, so I'm going to select one by one. I'm going to select this one. Okay, this one for time, for golf. Okay, and go to insert and bring it to the slide by holding shift alt and make it a little bit smaller in size. And I am going to make it a little bit bigger in size, I think so. Now I'm going to put these icon over these arrows, and okay, strategy icon goes here, and time, okay, let me put these icon one by one. Time icon goes here and idea icon goes here. Let me select these icon one by one and change its color according to the step. And let me select this one, and by holding shift this one and change its color according to the step. Select this one and this one by holding shift and change its color according to the step. Now select this one and by holding shift this one, and I'm going to change its color to the lighter one. And thank you for watching. Thank you.